because as it's visible, as also Greg already explained, for a really good reason, we could make a lot of benefit from using a lot of stuff from the existing platform of the 125-200 chassis. But that was a given thing. But to put an engine inside with double capacity to 200, double horsepower, this is does not mean it's something you do by night. It means this is a massive engine project. At the end of the day, it became an all-new engine. So he could bother you now with hours and hours and hours, but we want to go riding, so please make it short. Just touch the core ingredients of the 390 engine, please.
Thank you, Thomas. Yes, as well explained from Thomas, it's really quite new engine. I think the only part used as well in the 125cc and 200cc is the finger follower actuating on the waves. So starting with a new engine project, 8 kVm, always means we would like to achieve a high performance engine. What does that mean? So we always want to achieve as much power as possible, as light engine as possible. As explained before, the engine weight is only 36 kilograms. So what's always very important for us is high term durability. The next thing is we want to achieve a really good quality product, and for sure it should always be personally good to handle with the customers. So we had a lot of efforts to do with our partners at Bajaj, especially because, as mentioned, we have a given size, so we have to fit into the fixed chassis. Looking at some details, we have a displacement, as mentioned, with a 375cc. We have a quite untypical bore-stroke relation, because we have a big bore, which means we have a lot of space going with a lot of high dimension weight. So what means power, which is very sporty orientated. We achieve at 9,500 RPMs, 44 horsepower with a maximum torque of 35 Newton meters. The engine weight, as mentioned, 36 kilograms. From the technology side of view, we have a cutting-edge injection technology, very new on this project compared to the smaller ones. We have the forged pistons compared to the casted one. First time we have a nickel seal coated cylinder. The 125cc and 200cc is produced by high pressure die cast. So we have an iron liner in it. There we have sand cores. We can go smaller. We can go with a thinner wall thickness. Here we have a high pressure forced field lubrication with a crankcase evacuation. So more details on the next slide. That's the reason for this suction pump is beneath others that we have to go very low as possible with the crankcase to reduce the total height, because as mentioned we have to fit in the same frame. So that's why we go as low as possible with the crankcase. We have to develop a totally new gearbox because we have the same sprocket. So the gearbox is brand new. We have, as mentioned, DLC coated finger followers, first time with the auto deco function. As mentioned, it's quite new, quite light, quite agile and performance oriented. So I hope you will enjoy it. In case of any questions, feel free. I'm with you the whole day, even in the evening. So enjoy. Thanks.
Thank you, Stefan.